but actually Footloose is just straight ahead. So the straight ahead feel is 1, 1, flat 3, sharp 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. So 1, 1, 3, sharp 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. 1, 1, 3. And then do it on D. Back to A. Last one goes like so it's flat 7, 4, 1, and the riff of the song at the beginning is just like this. And then the chords you would play over top of that. It's like an A7, and then D, back and forth, and then D7. It's just those two chords over and over again. So when you play this chord, you take this second finger and rock it onto the third. Pardon my band-aid there. So D7. Flat 7, 4. Here it is faster.